Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sirilla, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. So let's get into the signs and symptoms of Telogen Effluvium. So, increased hair shedding is one of the important features of Telogen Effluvium. As you can see here in the picture, we have already discussed male pattern baldness and female pattern baldness. As I told you, in the male pattern baldness, it's usually temporal and there is receding hairline, and also there is hair loss in the vertex area near the male pattern baldness, whereas females there is lot of hair loss in the temporal region and also receding hairline. So, but here in Telogen Effluvium there is overall hair shedding. Okay, so there is no particular site where there is hair fall only in that region. In male or female pattern baldness, you can see that particular nature and also overall hair shedding. But here in Telogen Effluvium, you will see overall hair shedding, overall hair thinning without any scalp disorders. That is, without any psoriasis of the scalp or eczema or seborrheic dermatitis or any malaria fungus infection. Without any of that, there is hair shedding, there is hair thinning, there is discoloration of the hair. That is, from the black color, their hair will start to become brown, and in certain section of people, if the stress is really strong, it can become grayish or white in color in a very limited period of time. With there is severe hair loss in this period of time. And also, not only that, there is widening of the scalp. As you can see, there is thinning, there is shedding, and there is also widening of the scalp. Along with that, what else do you have is that there is hair volume reduction, hair color changes, there is scalp tenderness. So what do you mean by scalp tenderness is that, see, you do not need to have any sort of scalp infections, but there is scalp tenderness. What is scalp tenderness? If you're touching it, then is there any pain? No. Usually, see, if you're like combing like this and putting on some sort of a plucker or something, and when you remove the plucker and when you touch the hair root away from what it was combed, you will feel certain type of pain. There is pain near the hair follicles and there is itching for some people without any scalp conditions. So all of these are common features of Telogen Effluvium. Now coming into the consultation part, if you are suffering from hair fall issues and you would like to get in touch with us, we have two types of consultations here at Fidicus Homeopathy. One is the offline consultation or the in-person consultation. If you're staying near the nearest branch of Fidicus Homeopathy, you can come and consult us in person. And if you're staying far away from us, you can consult us through audio or video online consultation. Okay, and after the online consultation is over or after the consultation is over, we will be asking you for the investigations which are needed. If you have already got it done, you can share it with us. And after this part, especially to the online clients, we will be sending you our medications to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 or 3 to 5 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying anywhere else, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our good medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us, WhatsApp, ping or messages on this number which is displayed here. And also, if you would like to know more about us, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're watching this video and you're suffering from hair fall or hair fall issues and you're looking for cure, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Here at Fidicus, we stand for highest chance of health and we follow 3 principles. What are that? First one, we are already having good success in hair fall cases. Second thing is our transparent treatment here at Fidicus. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we will be talking to you about your case and also about your prognosis and the personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy. What is personal care given? If you're having any sort of queries, if you're having any sort of doubts, if you're having any sort of fears regarding this hair fall, all of this, you will be educated on that and you will be given proper, education on whatever issue you're suffering from. So if you're wanting to choose cure, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.